Welcome to Vending University, the ultimate guide to becoming a vending operator, and to this specialized course on installing vending machines in climate-challenging areas. In this program, you will learn how environmental conditions directly affect machine performance, customer experience, and long-term profitability across different locations. Operating vending machines is not just about placement and product selection. Climate plays a critical role in reliability, energy efficiency, and maintenance needs. Extreme heat, freezing cold, high humidity, dust, rain, and coastal air can all shorten equipment lifespan if not planned for correctly. This course is designed to help you understand how to evaluate locations that face harsh or unpredictable weather. You will explore how temperature fluctuations impact refrigeration systems, electronics and payment components, and how to select machines that are built to handle those conditions. You will also learn practical installation strategies that reduce climate-related risks. Topics include site preparation, proper ventilation, weather protection, electrical safety, and positioning machines to minimize exposure while still maintaining accessibility and visibility. Beyond installation, the course covers ongoing operational considerations. You will gain insight into preventive maintenance schedules, climate-specific product selection, energy management, and how to avoid costly downtime caused by environmental stress. By the end of this course, you will be prepared to confidently install and manage vending machines in challenging climates. Whether you are expanding into outdoor locations, industrial sites, or extreme weather regions, this training will help you protect your investment and operate more efficiently. This knowledge will give you a competitive advantage, allowing you to plan smarter deployments, reduce unexpected repairs, and deliver consistent service regardless of environmental challenges. Module 1. Understanding climate risks in vending machine deployment. In this module, you will explore how climate conditions directly influence the success or failure of vending machine installations. Environmental factors are often underestimated, yet they play a major role in machine reliability, customer satisfaction, and long-term operating costs. Climate risks include extreme heat, freezing temperatures, humidity, dust, rain, snow, and exposure to salt air in coastal regions. Each of these elements can impact vending machines differently, affecting cooling systems, electronics, structural components, and payment hardware. High temperatures can strain compressors and increase energy consumption, while cold environments may cause frozen components and display malfunctions. Humidity can lead to condensation inside machines, creating corrosion risks and increasing the likelihood of electrical failures. This module also highlights how sudden weather changes can be just as damaging as constant extremes. Rapid temperature shifts may cause internal components to expand and contract, leading to loose connections, sensor errors, and inconsistent product dispensing. Understanding climate risks helps operators make better decisions before installation. By recognizing environmental threats early, you can choose appropriate locations, plan protective measures, and reduce avoidable maintenance and downtime. You will also begin learning how climate awareness supports smarter budgeting. Factoring in environmental stress allows operators to anticipate repair frequency, energy use, and replacement cycles more accurately. In conclusion, understanding climate risks is the foundation of successful vending machine deployment in challenging environments. This module prepares you to think strategically about weather-related threats so you can protect your equipment, maintain performance, and build a more resilient vending operation from the start. Module 2. Evaluating high heat, cold, and humidity conditions. In this module, you will learn how to evaluate environments that experience extreme heat, cold, and high humidity, and why these conditions demand special attention before installing vending machines. Understanding these factors helps prevent equipment failure and poor customer experiences. High heat environments can place constant stress on refrigeration systems, motors, and internal electronics. Prolonged exposure to elevated temperatures often leads to higher energy consumption, reduced cooling efficiency, and more frequent service needs if machines are not properly rated. Cold climates introduce different challenges, including frozen delivery mechanisms, slow or unresponsive screens, and brittle internal components. Machines operating in low temperatures may require insulation, heaters, or cold-tolerant hardware to maintain reliable performance. Humidity is often underestimated, but can be one of the most damaging climate factors. Moist air can cause condensation inside machines, leading to corrosion, mold growth, and electrical short circuits that are costly to repair and difficult to diagnose. This module also teaches you how to assess combined climate conditions. Many locations face heat with humidity or cold with moisture, creating compounded risks that require layered solutions rather than single protective measures. You will gain insight into how seasonal changes affect machine performance throughout the year. Evaluating both peak and off-season conditions allows operators to plan installations that remain stable under varying weather patterns. In conclusion, accurately evaluating heat, cold, and humidity conditions is essential for long-term vending success. This module equips you with the awareness needed to anticipate environmental stress, select suitable equipment, and reduce climate-related disruptions before they occur. Module 3. Choosing climate-resilient vending machine models. In this module, you will learn how to select vending machine models that are specifically designed to operate in climate-challenging environments. Not all machines are built the same, and choosing the wrong model can lead to frequent breakdowns and increased operating costs. Climate-resilient machines are engineered with reinforced components, durable materials, and advanced temperature control systems. These features help machines withstand heat, cold, moisture, and airborne debris without compromising performance or safety. This module explains how refrigeration capacity, insulation quality, and airflow design impact a machine's ability to function in extreme temperatures. Machines intended for harsh climates often include stronger compressors and improved thermal management to maintain consistent cooling. You will also examine how electronics and payment systems are affected by environmental stress. Climate-ready models typically use sealed components and protective coatings to reduce the risk of corrosion, condensation, and dust infiltration. Another focus of this module is understanding manufacturer specifications. Learning how to read temperature ratings, humidity tolerance levels, and environmental certifications allows you to make informed purchasing decisions that align with site conditions. Selecting the right machine is also a long-term investment decision. This module highlights how upfront costs for climate-resilient models can be offset by reduced maintenance, fewer service calls, and longer equipment lifespan. In conclusion, choosing climate-resilient vending machine models is a critical step in successful deployment. This module prepares you to match equipment capabilities with environmental demands, ensuring reliable operation and protecting your investment in challenging locations. Module 4. Site Selection Strategies for Extreme Weather Locations. In this module, you will learn how proper site selection can reduce the impact of extreme weather on vending machine performance. Even the most durable machine can fail if placed in a poorly chosen location that increases exposure to environmental stress. Site selection begins with understanding how weather interacts with the physical surroundings. Direct sunlight, wind tunnels, standing water, and unprotected outdoor areas can intensify heat, cold, or moisture-related risks for vending equipment. This module explains how positioning machines near walls, under awnings, or inside sheltered structures can significantly improve reliability. Small placement adjustments often make a major difference in temperature stability and protection from rain or snow. You will also learn to evaluate foot traffic alongside climate conditions. A location may have high usage potential, but if it exposes the machine to constant weather extremes, the long-term costs may outweigh short-term revenue benefits. Another key focus is accessibility and safety. Extreme weather locations require thoughtful planning to ensure customers can comfortably and safely use machines without slipping hazards, glare issues, or blocked access during storms. The module also introduces basic risk assessment techniques. By identifying environmental threats during site evaluation, operators can decide whether protective solutions are sufficient or if an alternative location is more suitable. You will gain a clear understanding of how minor environmental details, such as drainage flow and surface materials, can influence machine stability and long-term performance in difficult conditions. In conclusion, strategic site selection is one of the most effective ways to manage climate challenges. This module equips you with the ability to balance exposure, customer access, and operational efficiency to support reliable vending performance in extreme weather locations. Module 5, Electrical and Power Considerations in Harsh Environments. In this module, you will learn how climate conditions affect electrical stability and power reliability for vending machines. Harsh environments often place extra strain on electrical components, making proper power planning essential for safe and consistent operation. Extreme heat can cause wiring insulation to degrade faster, while cold temperatures may reduce electrical efficiency and lead to brittle connections. Both conditions increase the risk of power interruptions and component failure if systems are not properly protected. This module explains how moisture and humidity create serious electrical hazards. Condensation, rain, and flooding can damage outlets, short-circuit internal components, and pose safety risks if grounding and sealing are not handled correctly during installation. You will also explore the importance of voltage stability in climate-challenged areas. Power fluctuations caused by storms, heat-related grid stress, or remote locations can disrupt machine operation and damage sensitive electronics. Another focus of this module is the role of surge protection and weather-rated power hardware. Using proper breakers, surge suppressors, and outdoor-rated connectors helps shield machines from sudden electrical spikes and environmental exposure. The module also covers backup and contingency planning. Understanding when to use battery backups or alternative power solutions can help maintain service during outages caused by severe weather events. You will gain insight into how routine electrical inspections and proper cable management can prevent small issues from escalating into costly failures in demanding environments. In conclusion, managing electrical and power considerations is critical in harsh environments. This module prepares you to install vending machines with safe, stable, and climate-aware power systems that reduce downtime, protect equipment, and ensure long-term operational reliability. Module 6. Weatherproofing and protective enclosures for machines. In this module, you will learn how to protect vending machines from the damaging effects of harsh weather. Even machines designed for extreme climates can benefit from additional weatherproofing measures to improve durability and performance. Weatherproofing begins with understanding the types of environmental threats present. Rain, snow, dust, wind, and direct sunlight can all impact machine operation, causing corrosion, electrical issues, or mechanical wear if left unprotected. This module explains the importance of protective enclosures. Using awnings, shelters, or custom-built housings can shield machines from direct exposure, reduce temperature extremes, and prevent debris from entering sensitive areas. Protective covers can also help reduce vandalism and accidental damage. You will also learn how to select materials and finishes that resist corrosion, fading, and physical damage. Stainless steel, powder-coated surfaces, and sealed joints help maintain the machine's appearance and functionality over time, while maintaining easy cleaning and hygiene standards. Another focus of this module is sealing critical components. Ensuring that vents, access panels, and payment systems are properly sealed prevents moisture infiltration, minimizes dust accumulation, and reduces the risk of electrical shorts. Routine inspections and maintenance checks are also essential to detect early signs of wear or leaks. The module also covers additional enhancements such as UV protection, drainage solutions, elevated platforms to avoid water pooling, and airflow management. These measures extend the lifespan of the machine, improve reliability in extreme conditions, and help maintain consistent product quality and customer satisfaction. In conclusion, weatherproofing and protective enclosures are essential for vending machines in climate-challenging areas. This module equips you with practical strategies to safeguard equipment, maintain consistent operation, reduce costly repairs, and implement routine monitoring to prevent small issues from becoming major problems over time. Module 7, Installation Techniques for Outdoor and Semi-Outdoor Areas. In this module, you will learn effective installation techniques for vending machines placed in outdoor and semi-outdoor environments. Proper installation ensures machines operate reliably despite exposure to wind, rain, sun, and fluctuating temperatures. This module emphasizes the importance of a stable and level foundation. Uneven surfaces can cause machines to tilt, interfere with product dispensing, and increase wear on mechanical components over time. Correct leveling is especially critical in areas prone to flooding or snow accumulation. You will also learn how to secure machines against wind and accidental movement. Anchoring systems, brackets, or weighted bases help prevent tipping or shifting during storms, while maintaining compliance with safety regulations. Another key focus is positioning machines to reduce direct exposure to environmental extremes, orienting machines away from prevailing winds, limiting sun exposure, and using natural or built barriers can improve temperature control and overall performance. This module also covers cable management and protective conduits for power and data lines. Proper routing reduces damage from moisture, UV rays, or accidental impact, while maintaining accessibility for maintenance and servicing. Installation in semi-outdoor areas requires attention to drainage, ventilation, and customer access. Ensuring water flows away from the machine and allowing airflow around refrigeration units prevents overheating and minimizes moisture buildup. In conclusion, following precise installation techniques is essential for outdoor and semi-outdoor vending machines. This module equips you with the skills to ensure machines remain stable, protected, and fully operational in challenging climates, reducing downtime and maintenance needs. Module 8, Product and Inventory Planning for Climate Sensitivity. In this module, you will learn how climate conditions influence product selection and inventory management for vending machines. Environmental factors can affect the shelf life, quality, and safety of items, making strategic planning essential. Extreme heat can cause perishable items, chocolates, and beverages to spoil faster, while cold environments may freeze liquids or damage packaging. Humidity can lead to condensation, sticky surfaces, and compromised packaging integrity, creating additional maintenance needs. This module explains how to choose products that are resilient to specific climate challenges. Selecting items with higher heat tolerance, moisture resistance, or longer shelf life reduces waste and ensures consistent customer satisfaction. Understanding supplier options and alternative product types also helps maintain availability during extreme conditions. You will also learn how to adjust inventory levels based on location and season. High traffic areas or seasonal weather shifts require careful planning to avoid overstocking, product spoilage, or frequent restocking trips. Operators can implement dynamic inventory strategies that respond to climate trends, holidays, and special events. Another key focus is packaging solutions. Properly sealed containers, moisture-resistant wrapping, and UV-protected labels help maintain product quality and safety, even in harsh environments. Using reinforced packaging for fragile or temperature-sensitive items can further minimize losses. The module also covers monitoring and rotation strategies. Regular checks, automated tracking systems, and systematic product rotation prevent expired or damaged items from reaching customers, maintaining trust, brand reputation, and compliance with safety standards. In conclusion, product and inventory planning for climate sensitivity is critical for reliable vending machine operations. This module equips you with strategies to optimize product selection, reduce losses, implement dynamic inventory adjustments, and maintain customer satisfaction even under challenging environmental conditions. Module 9, Preventive Maintenance for Climate-Exposed Machines. In this module, you will learn the importance of preventive maintenance for vending machines operating in climate-challenging areas. Regular maintenance helps reduce unexpected breakdowns, extend equipment lifespan, and maintain consistent service quality, ensuring machines remain profitable and reliable. Extreme temperatures, humidity, dust, and precipitation can accelerate wear on mechanical and electrical components. This module explains how environmental stress impacts refrigeration systems, motors, sensors, and payment mechanisms over time, increasing the need for careful monitoring. You will also learn how to develop a climate-specific maintenance schedule. Machines exposed to heat may need more frequent cooling system checks, while those in cold or humid environments require inspections for moisture damage, corrosion, and frozen components to prevent operational failures. Another focus is cleaning and lubrication practices. Keeping moving parts properly lubricated and free from dust or debris prevents mechanical failures, ensures smooth product dispensing, and maintains overall machine efficiency. Proper cleaning also reduces microbial growth in humid conditions. This module also covers component inspection and early problem detection. Identifying loose connections, worn seals, or compromised insulation before they escalate prevents costly repairs and service interruptions, especially in hard-to-reach or remote locations, and ensures customer safety. You will gain strategies for documenting maintenance activities, training staff on climate-specific care, and monitoring machine performance. Logging maintenance work, tracking recurring issues, and analyzing environmental impact helps operators make proactive, data-driven decisions for preventive care. In conclusion, preventive maintenance is a critical strategy for vending machines in climate-exposed areas. This module equips you with techniques to anticipate issues, perform regular upkeep, train staff effectively, and maintain reliable, safe, and efficient operations regardless of environmental challenges. Module 10. Managing performance, energy use, and downtime in extreme climates. In this module, you will learn how to optimize vending machine performance while controlling energy use and minimizing downtime in climate-challenging environments. Effective management ensures reliable service, customer satisfaction, and operational efficiency. Extreme weather can significantly impact energy consumption. High heat forces refrigeration systems to work harder, while cold temperatures may increase heating or defrost cycles. This module explains strategies to maintain optimal energy efficiency without sacrificing machine performance. You will also learn how to monitor and analyze machine performance data. Tracking temperature fluctuations, energy usage, and sales patterns helps identify potential climate-related issues before they cause service interruptions or equipment failures. Another focus is minimizing downtime through proactive scheduling and rapid response planning. Establishing clear protocols for servicing machines exposed to harsh conditions ensures that technical issues are resolved quickly, reducing lost revenue and customer frustration. This module also covers energy-saving technologies and best practices. Using energy-efficient refrigeration units, LED lighting, insulation improvements, and climate-appropriate settings can reduce electricity costs and improve sustainability. You will gain strategies for combining operational efficiency with preventive measures. Balancing energy use, maintenance routines, and machine placement allows operators to maintain consistent product quality while extending equipment lifespan. In conclusion, managing performance, energy use, and downtime is essential for vending machines operating in extreme climates. This module equips you with tools and strategies to maximize efficiency, minimize costs, and ensure consistent, reliable service in any challenging environment. Conclusion: In conclusion, successfully installing vending machines in climate-challenging areas requires careful planning, technical knowledge, and proactive management. Environmental conditions such as extreme heat, freezing cold, high humidity, strong winds, and precipitation can significantly impact machine performance, durability, and profitability if not properly addressed. Throughout this course, you have learned to evaluate sites, select appropriate machines, and implement installation strategies that minimize climate-related risks. Proper site selection, protective enclosures, and strategic positioning all play a critical role in ensuring machines remain stable, accessible, and functional in harsh environments. You have also explored the importance of climate-resilient equipment. Selecting machines with reinforced components, improved insulation, and reliable refrigeration or heating systems is essential to reduce failures, maintain product quality, and control maintenance costs. Preventive maintenance and routine inspections are equally important. Establishing schedules tailored to specific environmental threats allows operators to detect issues early, perform timely repairs, and prevent costly breakdowns. Proper cleaning, lubrication, and monitoring help maintain efficiency, reduce downtime, and ensure customer satisfaction. Energy management and operational efficiency have also been highlighted. Monitoring performance, adjusting inventory and products to climate sensitivity, and employing energy-saving practices help maintain profitability while minimizing waste. Balancing these factors is essential for sustainable operations in challenging climates. Finally, the knowledge gained in this course equips you to confidently deploy, operate, and maintain vending machines in extreme environments. By integrating climate awareness, protective strategies, and proactive management, you can maximize reliability, reduce risks, and deliver consistent service regardless of environmental conditions.